Right. Hi guys, this is ADEBANJI ALADE, the Addictive Sketcher. Right. My next workshop, that's what this is all about. It's all about sketching the human face. I know a lot of people have just asked me several times, how do you do it? What are the tips? What makes you tick? How do you get the proportions right? How do you shade? How do you get character? How do you bring out the form? Everything about the human face. I would have called this workshop everything I know about sketching the human face, but it's basically sketching the human face. It's very close. It's going to be on Saturday, July the 14th at the Chelsea Academy, which is just opposite my studio. It's going to be great, a great experience. From 9:30 to 5:30, we're going to have models. We're going to sketch, each other, sketch from the models, just everything about sketching the human face. You bring your sketchbook and every sort of sketch tool you can lay your hand on, because we're going to explode and explore and experiment and work on this. All right, you don't want to miss this experience. It's going to be great. So if anyone out there, if you really want to improve your skills, like really want to take your sketchability, I would say come for this sketch exercise, come for this experience. Again, the numbers are going to be few. I'll be taking 6, and come on, it's going to be great. So don't miss it. Click on the link below and register and just secure your spot. Thank you. Woo!